We'll guide you through how to fix a mouse double clicking when single clicking. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, as perhaps you're trying to just go and click on something and not double click, but it goes and double clicks. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about trying to go and fix this. Make sure to do this full guide and don't skip anything so you know the different fixes you can try doing, as there are different ones you can try. So any further ado, let's go and get started with this. So first of all, what you want to do is come to the bottom of your computer and go and find the Windows Start button, or press the key on your keyboard to go and open it up. You need to go and find settings, so you can go and search for settings, or just go and click on it like so and it will open. Now what you want to do in here is go and find the option for Bluetooth and devices, scroll down, find the option for mouse. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and find the option for additional mouse settings. This will pop up and you want to go and press pointer options at the top. Try disabling enhanced pointer protection. So unselect it and press apply in the bottom right like so, and then you can try using it and see if it solves it. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it doesn't, the next thing you can try doing is coming to the bottom of your computer and press search. Here you need to go and type in device manager like so. This will then go and open up. And what you need to do is you want to come down the list and find mice and other pointing devices. Press the arrow to the left and you'll go and see the different options. So go through, there will be multiple, and right click, and you need to go and press uninstall device. Confirm the decision by pressing uninstall and repeat that for the others. When you go and do that, that will go and stop it from working completely. So to go and get these reinstalled and back, you need to restart your computer. So press the restart, so press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then you go and press tab, keep pressing it until you get to the last option where your name is, the user, and then you can go and use the right arrow key to get across, press enter on the power button with it selected, and you can then press enter with restart selected. You go down these options with the downwards arrow key. So you can then go and restart it, and when it comes back on, these should be back, and hopefully the problem is now resolved. If it still isn't, it can be a physical problem with the mouse itself. So what you can try doing is you want to try just blowing on it because there's any dust in there which can go and be causing the problem. And what's also worth doing is doing some long clicks, so click and hold down, and just do that for both buttons and do that and keep repeating that. And you can also try clicking it rapidly as well, just to go and see if there's anything stuck in there, dust or debris, which is causing it to go and double click. So hopefully to help this video, you've solved it.